Well, here's an interesting keyboard. It's the Alton AL2000. Now, I have not used this keyboard in 18 years, let alone even seen it in 18 years. I forgot I even had this keyboard. I'm going through all my old bins, and out pops my AT style keyboard. This is not a PS2 keyboard, it's not USB, it's AT style. Well, how am I going to use this on any modern computer? Well, if you're going to use a PS2 adapter, you need an AT to PS2 adapter. But you need a PS2 to USB adapter that supports AT protocols. I got a little lucky. Apparently, mine does. I have my AT keyboard here going through an AT to PS2, barrel adapter going to USB, and it works. What's interesting, I'm sorry, this is kind of interesting. This is interesting to me. Watch what happens when I press numlock. Watch the LED on both this keyboard and my USB keyboard. That's interesting. Now watch what happens when I press the caps lock on my USB keyboard. Yeah, that's a little interesting. I know it should probably mean nothing, but that's usually how keyboard controllers work. And no matter how many keyboards you plug in, technically all keyboards are going to act the same, no matter what's actually connected. Let me turn off that caps lock. Yeah, that's just interesting. Now, this keyboard here is a mechanical keyboard, but it's a very silent keyboard. Listen. Nothing has a click. There's no clickety sounds, but it is mechanical. I'm not too certain what kind of mechanical keys these are. I have taken it apart. There is no membrane in it, so it's definitely not membrane based, even like the Model M, which a lot of people think the Model M is mechanical. It's only mechanical to the buckling springs, but it is a membrane keyboard. As seen down here, which is my Model M in repair. Yes, it is a membrane. This actually has very similar mechanical switches. In fact, the keycaps I pull off this will actually stick on this keyboard, which is a Cherry key switch. But I don't think these are Cherry key switches. They don't seem to look like cherries, and they certainly don't sound like cherries. I actually think this might be a very quiet Alps key switch. Let me get closer and you listen in once again. There it goes. Yeah, these keys need to be cleaned. These keys have certainly not been cleaned in 18 years. Anyway, I just thought this was interesting. So I'm going to do the unthinkable and try to do some music with this keyboard on Native Instruments FM7. Wish me luck.